This activity is in the back of your packet. I want you to go and gently tear it out and write your name, number, and date at the top of the page. And then I want you to get a pair of dice. That means 2 dice. You can either get one from the supply shelf, or if you want to get one from online, the quickest way, the easiest way, which one, either one is fine by me. I don't care, as long as you have 2 dice. 2 dice. Okay? So pause the video and do those things and come back to me. And then let's read the directions for this paper. It says roll a dice twice or roll 2 dice once. Draw a rectangle with the length and width of the number spun. Find the perimeter of your rectangle and write it in the box. See how many rectangles you can draw on one page. So basically we're going to roll 2 dice. One number is going to be the length and one number is going to be the width. And then we're going to draw that rectangle, and then we are going to find the perimeter and then write the perimeter in the box. So I'm going to pretend that I have 2 dice in front of me. Let's say that I have rolled my dice and I have rolled let's say I've rolled a 2 and a 3. A 2 and a 3. Now, this is my work right now. You are not writing anything down on your paper. This is just an example. So just watch what I do. So this means that I'm going to start here in my box, and I'm going to make a rectangle that is 2 squares wide and 1, 2, 3 squares tall. I'm going to fill in my rectangle. And now I need to decide, what is my perimeter? How can I do that? Well, I know that this perimeter is 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, 3 on the left, and 3 on the right, right? So I'm just going to add them up. 2 plus 2 is what? 4. So I'm going to write 4. And then 3 plus 3 is what? 6. So 4 plus 6 equals what? 10. 10. My perimeter is 10. You're going to show your work in front of you. I don't care if you do 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 equals 6, and then 10 on the bottom, but I want to see you adding inside of your rectangle. So make sure you're writing kind of small too. Okay, let's do one more example. Let's say I roll my dice again. And let's say I get a 4 and a 1. A 4 and a 1. So my rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4 wide and 1 tall. So I'm going to fill in my rectangle. Now, question, could you possibly get a square on this? Yes, you could. It won't always be a rectangle. So this rectangle is 1, 1, 4, and 4. And I want to see you labeling the rectangles that you make too. Each of your rectangles should have a top and a bottom, left and right. You will get points for that. So now I know 1 plus 1 is 2, and 4 plus 4 is 8. I'm going to add up the sides. 8 plus 2 is what? 10. Oh, that's funny. Both of these rectangles have the same perimeter, but they're different shapes. Isn't that? Oh, interesting. Okay. So I want you to complete this activity. Try to fill in your paper as much as possible. You've got a good amount here of squares. When you're done, put the dice up and hand your paper in the pathway section when everything else is cleared.